With the development of financial technology, the security management of vaults has received increasing attention. The vault opening record system has become the guardian of modern financial security. What is its importance? In recent years, Treasury security management has faced unprecedented challenges, especially how to ensure the safe entry and exit of every fund. The door opening record system has emerged, which greatly improves the security, transparency, and efficiency of vault management by recording in detail the time, personnel, and reasons for each opening. This system not only helps companies monitor internal fund flows in real time, but also traces responsibility and identifies hidden dangers in the event of a security incident. Taking a large manufacturing enterprise as an example, by implementing precise account opening record management, the occurrence rate of abnormal events has been successfully reduced by 60%. Nowadays, the record of vault opening has become an indispensable standard configuration, demonstrating a new mode of vault management in the modern financial environment.